Bbluv, Sonik, 2-stage Sonic toothbrush for babies and toddlers, 0+ months, 1 toothbrush plus 1 replacement head. Product overview. Description. Gentle vibration cleans teeth and gums. Cleans in 2 minutes. LED bulb. 1 AAA battery included. FDA Registered. 5.7 in x 1.1 in. Have fun teaching your child to brush their teeth with Sonik, the gentle ultrasonic toothbrush. Soft vibrations massage gums while soft bristles gently and thoroughly clean teeth and gums. A 2-minute timer with pulses every 30 seconds alert you to move to the next quadrant of the mouth, corresponding to dentist recommendations. The perfect way to instill good oral hygiene early on and prevent cavities later on. Suggested use. Wet the brush and apply the recommended amount of toothpaste. Press the power button once to turn on the light and again to turn on the toothbrush. Divide the mouth into 4 sections, top, bottom, left and right, and move to a new section every 30 seconds, when the brush emits a pulse. Once the 4 sections have been cleaned, press the button to turn off the toothbrush. As recommended by your National Dental Association. Stage 1. 0 to 18 m. Infants. Stage 2. 18 meters plus toddlers.